Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonians. You are hearing from the spokesman of the Amazonia Police, Colonel Arthur John. Before I want to talk, go ahead. This story today be very serious and crucial for a long time. Since 6 January, we never know the whereabouts of our leaders. People then come, debris, play game them within Amazonians. Amazonia Police don't decide for investigate the details using all our instruments we will be capable of, and wait we will get them to get the authentic information about our leaders. We don't like me any people them come live, say they be the frontline leaders, they be this, they be that, Guinea talk where they need to talk truth information. They don't plenty people, they don't lie, say they know the whereabouts of our leaders. They never talk any true information. Unfortunately, yesterday evening, Colonel Arthur John and Amazonia Police them, we discovered the whereabouts of our leaders. So, based on this, Colonel Arthur John decided today to enable Amazonians them. We wanna understand the whereabouts of our leaders, because we must know where they are, and we must know who is the enemy. Me people they no go say who leaders then come give the play game them. They change direction, say me they would move attack na foreign countries them. So now, Colonel Arthur John will call on you people all to click the share button. Click the share button, you invite others. Muna come listen the story. Muna listen up. Click the share button, invite others. I go play who anthem, who national anthem once more while drinking water, because I come on a bolo, I come on a Bambi. Just come back. So I could play who anthem while drinking water. At the same moment, I will call on you people, my brother, my sister, click the share button and you invite. This talk today no go long. It could be now only talk for maximally 30 minutes. 30 minutes only. Just click the share button, you click them. The share button, you share. Me other people in here. Me, I drink water while playing the anthem once more. Because Amazonia is a land of milk and honey. Click the share button, the share. When the anthem finish, and you just go ahead and then zigzag anything again. Click up. Me all man come here wait to Colonel Arthur John get out today for talk. And with some authentic evidence for know the whereabouts of our leaders. So, my play, click the share button. Okay. Now, we go ahead. My talk, I want to expose where President Ayuk Sissoco, Tasen Wilfred, Pa Fongala, and others, Barrister Eyembe, all of them, they are today. The first thing I want to talk about, my talk could debunk all those who have been claiming they know the whereabouts of President Ayuk Sissoco and his cabin. Where today, I need to look in my face. Dr. Success, now my friend, I need to look in face. Milan Atem, now my enemy, even at hell. I need to look in face. Milan Atem, he don't talk say, he no play way part as a Wilfred, then they say it's in Nigeria. Milan Atem, they playing a double game. For una information, come rain, come sun. Part as a Wilfred, President Ayuk Sissoco, they don't make up to 1 hour after their arrest for Nigeria. After their arrest for Nigeria, they immediately with effect, a charter flight carry them directly to Simaleng Airport. This is the honest truth. When I talk so, una will argue me, una will come tell me, say, Colonel Atta-John, the tongue line. Milan Atem, it get plan hands for this deal. Where he say who leaders them for La Republique. That is the reason why Milan Atem, he decided, say, he could play double game with the blame Nigeria authority. He go organize protest before Nigeria consulate for South Africa for blindfold with them. But that game no go work. Colonel Atta-John, after serious investigation, a top rank commander of the gendarmerie, where at the talk so come rain come sun, come rain come sun, a top rank commander of the gendarmerie where Anoko disclose his identity for security purpose. He get in touch with Colonel Atta-John yesterday. Based on that fact, even commander them, when they enter for the prison where they lock Pa Tasen Wilfred, President Ayuk Sissoco, Pa Fongala, Barrister Eyembe, they allow them to pass with camera or any phone. Even a commander, they charge them. Now only ministers them. They get authority for enter without any search of phones or anything. For now information, this commander, where he disclosed this information for Colonel Atta-John, he decided for disclose to Colonel Atta-John who Pa Tasen Wilfred is currently with. Who Pa Tasen Wilfred and Pa Fongala, they are currently with. Any man where he know this man, I'm showing you people now. Contact his whole family. You dig this information Colonel Atta-John is exposing now before you. If you know of Congressman, he is currently in same jail with Pa Tasen Wilfred, Pa Fongala, Barrister Eyembe. I do not understand the game Dr. Success is trying to shift this deal with La Republique to chat, and Milan Atem is at the same moment trying to shift the game to Nigeria. When I talk so come rain, come sun, Pa Tasen Wilfred is there inside Konange. I could describe the jail, and when any visitor for Yaoundé day now, so when he go for there for go visit, may he ask security for Yaoundé, say he want visit now this jail. I could describe the color, the position, every information and how they are, and I could tell you now why you are talking and want to disclose the commander identity, because if I disclose him, the commander will be picked up with immediate effect. My start. Where I start? Wait. Where I want to talk, Dr. Success go say, he did a chat for blind for una. Milan Kolai una say, then they for Nigeria, for make a move the blame chat government, the blame Nigeria government. Why Pa Tasen Wilfred talk with this commandant yesterday? Because the commandant is from the English zone. From the English zone. He is from the English zone, Anokukoi village. And this commandant, before he reached Colonel Atta-John, this same commandant is one of the commandants who took part in the burning of Saint Paul Queen. He partake in the burning of Saint Paul Queen. St. Paul Queen, where they born St. Paul Queen. Now this commandant will play the highest part of it because his heart is with Amazonians. When I talk so I know what me and argue me and my come tell me crap or shit. Muna no come tell me say Pata send it for chat. Come tell me say it for Nigeria. Milang atem, you say who leaders they begin the tribal blind fool, more the whole Nigeria authority. This na child play. No say Colonel Arthur John is information before what talk about who leaders today, the 14th of May 2018. If I'm saying anything wrong, me God chill me for road. Me I come out for road, I want walk for road. I get accident, I die at the spot. I curse myself. If Pata say reflect, no day for Konange. If Pata say reflect, no day right now, I'm sharing the jail with Congress man. If Pata say reflect, no day there. If Pata say reflect, no day, ye and congressman right now. Right now. Where is the information coming from that our leaders are still in Nigeria? Milang Atem, you are trying to shift the game. Moody blame Nigeria authority for nothing. Our leaders, they for Konange. And of this jail, I describe the prison for that. Muna go for Konange, visitors at Konange. When you go there, you ask that you want to visit this prison. They know there, the first place. Pata say we fret them, people the way they defeat them. Now only commandant them. Now only commandant. No empty assistant commandant need to approach that jail where they lock Pata say we fret. Yeah, congressman they for day. Now the truth is what they tell una. Now the truth is what they tell una. What they tell una. They now only commandant them. Only commandant them for Konange. Go fit Pata say refrain them. To be honest before you people, before man and God, Pata say refrain talk with this commandant. He talk with he say this commandant with the eye. Pata say if he power from Gala, Pata say refrain congressman, then three, then they inside one jail. Ma describe them. People they for Yaoundé. Muna go visit. Ask them. For Konange say, una wan go, una wan see now this leader. Say una wan visit now this jail. Una go here the way they go chase you for there. They go control you so there. They go control you there. You go bad na bad. You repass more than 5 security. 5 security before you enter. They go check you appareil de photo. Sortez, appareil de photo. Now wait that way they talk about. If you for commandant. For commandant himself, then he asked me move phone, put up down. Me move phone, put up down. They not give possibility for enter a phone for them. Because small time blind head people they will come stop then he say, show picture. You just say, if you go enter inside that position where they make picture of the make picture. Me I don't take oath. I swear before Amazonians them. If Pata say refrain, apart from Galat them, they know they for Konange. When Milang Atem and Dr. So says, they lie about them. If they lie about them, if they know they for Konange, me, I lost my life overnight. When I cover my eye, I was the man who wake up. Me, I no wake up and curse myself before Amazonians them. Because this information that authentic. Now authentic and the commander no be new person. Now commander with me and he collaborate with the bond school them. No problem, no they are not the fear to talk about because his heart is with Amazonians. His heart is with Amazonians. Mila will try lie say the neighbor Nigeria. Muna stop the whole Nigeria authority. Dr. Success go lie he also never say the for chat. Muna the whole chat authority. Why? Why all these lies? After me, I get the authentic information. After I get them. And if he accept propose to send food to them, the commander say, if I give you food, me go give them. They go make problem. Say better nama I send the food generally for Konange prison. Prisoners them. Then they go give them some maybe on anonymous purpose. So when they want to talk, they start lie in them. Lie. Oh, we went not expose it in so because we did change gear for this struggle. After knowing that our leaders are in La Republic Konange, we get for revenge. Revenge with blood for I know why you're in it here. Any man with any black leg, put up for 6 feet. Put up for 6 feet one time. Put up for 6 feet. Any government teacher or worker, put up for 6 feet. Francophone, put up for 6 feet. If they know what come off for land. Now they throw this one they talk about. When I describe una the prison where part are sending the I describe them for una. I look now information. I look now messages. I cannot show the messages for security purpose. I cannot show you people the messages on WhatsApp with the communication of the commandant. I cannot show you people the messages because it can expose the commandant. It can expose him. I'm looking it to show you people because the thief, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Milan Atem is a devil. Even when the tribe make pretend. A devil, very devilish man. Very, very devilish man. Milan Atem. Wait. Man, read wait there for my WhatsApp. For una muna the other. I know if you show up on security purpose. I know if you show off for una because it is very, very delicate information. Wait, me I try hide some. Me I try to hide some the information. I show una. I try to hide the commandant in name. I show una just parts of the message from the commandant. Some people who talk say Colonel Atajon used 2 phones right there. That is nonsense. I don't get time for that kind of ramshackle information. I know if you show una the commandant in name because una know very well if I show una the commandant in name, I'm going to implicate the commandant. I'm going to implicate his life, his family's life, everything. So I will not be showing you people, but I'm going to hide some of the information and I will show you part of the information. Can you see? Can you all read? Can you read? Can you read what the commandant is writing to Colonel Atajon? Can you read what this commandant is writing to Colonel Atajon? Read what the commandant is writing to Colonel Atajon. Read what the commandant is writing to Colonel Atajon. Read it. Read it. Why talk some blind people that they go think say Colonel Atajon now fool. And official una the name and the phone number for security purpose. For security purpose. That is the information from the commandant. Those that have eyes, let them see. Those that are blind, let them stay like that. Look. You see? You see the commandant information? When I want to talk to you now, they will make and if you discuss the commandant full details for now before Amazonia for security purpose, but I made the Dracula not be Colonel Atajon type with 2 phones. This is authentic information from inside Konange. From inside Konange. When I talk this thing so, my brother, my sisters, I don't want something where I go make something. How true is that, commander? Yes, you get right for question. How true is that, commander? Before I want to tell you, and I swear before this kind of information. If you testify before Amazonians, them say, before I want swear before this information, the commandant no be na any kind of person with me and know I'm not today. No be na any kind of person with me and know I'm not today. Una look my conversation, me and Achiri Agata. I want set, I get authentic information inside Konange for Achiri Agata. We brother Achiri Agata. When I talk so I tell you very well, Colonel Atajon, him and this commandant, we don't do operations them. We don't burn St. Paul Queen. We don't burn GHS Kumba. We don't burn places them where the commandant if the supply we appraise them for use and vagasha mutam. You just send a new commander. What did you not today? What did you not today? The one that just one part this for evidence part as a Wilfred and Devil Konange together. They see Devil Konange. Ma una number 2 evidence. We una contact some of your brothers them for inside Konange. We una if una get the channel and ability reach them and not call any of their name. Contact one of the main the faces of our brothers in Konange under the carekeeping of La Republique. Contact one of the main faces. When you contact them, ask them, say, who was in jail with congressman that has been released from the section of the jail, the yellow building for side down for inside Konange. The yellow building for side down for inside Konange. No be now the yellow building where no be now for the side where Mancho BBC did. No be the side where Senya Topen Terence did. No be the side where others than David did. The yellow building for side down where congressman be. For that yellow building for inside Konange, they release one person. They release some of brothers. They were the young Congress people. Them. They don't see part as a Wilfred. They don't see. Yeah, and they talk inside Konange. They talk fiscally. Now they don't release them. They're gonna go join with brothers them for the other section for Konange. Dig the information inside Konange. The other section where we other brothers and they where you dig the information, you come back to Colonel Atajon and you apologize before Colonel Atajon. You are insulting Colonel Atajon that he's feeding you people with fake information. When you dig that information authentic, when you dig it, you're going to know. You think that Colonel Atajon is a liar. Bring out your own information. Me, at the talk who commander when I'm a blood. My blood family. I could tell you something and you go begin to drag with me. You're the drag with me. You know how many apparatus where that commandant no rig the bomb. Una don't make a man decide to tell una the story of the commandant. The commandant is his heart is with Amazonians, but he cannot declare it before La Republique that his heart is with Amazonians. It is blood family of Colonel Atajon. The blood family of Colonel Atajon. Blood family of Colonel Atajon. And if he lie anything. And if he lie. For talk any fake thing for una. When I tell una something here, una go to give the drag. So una no give the drag. That commandant no, he no give me fake info. He no give me any fake info. You now only Milan Atem. He fans then they go come tell me say I the lie. When Milan Atem blind fool now, fools them say then they for Nigeria Muna start the attack Nigeria authority. Why you don't collect the money from La Republique chop them, give them for Konange. Me Milan Atem proof for we say they for Nigeria. Me proof, only one proof as we Colonel Atajon the proof you own. This commander can never tell me lies. He no fi ever tell me lies. Never. So I know if you call somebody, me confirm for Colonel Atajon, say Colonel Atajon, the tongue not true, now wait. Now only fools who think that our leaders are in charge. Only fools who think that our leaders are in Nigeria. The honest truth is our leaders are in La Republique, Konange, the yellow building, for side down, not the same building with Mancho BBC, the yellow building, right for down, where security, they for line there for there, about 6 different lines of security before you approach for there. Even now who or whosoever inside Konange, except the ministers them, whether they pass, where they no check them. You want pass here, you be commandant, oh, you can show your commandant card. You want pass do anything, oh, you can show them. Say it can lie. Why the commander ever lie? It give me authentic info and then the drag una. When that is all my message I have for you people today. So believe in Dr. Success that our leaders are in charge. Your cup of tea. Dr. Success now my friend. But I no support that lie. I no support that lie. I no support them. You believe that our leaders are in Nigeria. Your cup of tea. Believe Milan Atem, your cup of tea. Do not forget to know that Milan Atem, he travel go for UK. He meet Gillian Eshu for Brigham Hotel. He tell Gillian Eshu, if Gillian Eshu not say she is honest, me she come testify. Me she come live, come testify before Amazonians them. Milan Atem tell Gillian Eshu say, for Brigham say, me she no overput her heart for the revolution because Patrice Wilfred is a very, very wicked man. When Amazonians will be free, he no go get the time. So that were the sayings of Milan Atem to Gillian Eshu inside a hotel in Brigham, United Kingdom of Britain. That were the saying of Milan Atem. So me and Gillian Eshu come testify this thing. Muna reflect them now. Compare and say, why should Milan Atem? Why should Milan Atem be claiming our leaders are in Nigeria? Why they are not in Nigeria? Why should Milan Atem create a fake protest in South Africa? Say me they go protest in front Nigeria embassy. Why should him do this? Because he want blindfold Amazonians. They confuse Muna. Muna get confused. That is the truth I'm telling you people Amazonians. Shine your eyes in this revolution. The revolution continues. The Amazonia police has spoken. I don't care if you believe Amazonia police or not, but the truth remains like that. That is the truth. And when any year Patrice Wilfred will come out from jail or any of them released from Konanye, they will testify to you that Colonel Atta John told you people truth, nothing but the truth. If you doubt any information, send people to our frontline leaders, our revolution face inside Konange that you have their contact information. Contact their wives, send them. Me they go dig this information where Colonel Atta John tell una today. They go tell una say they say who brothers they don't see Patrice Wilfred, power from Galat them. When they be there for the yellow building inside Konange, for side down, the yellow building, and me man no confuse am. The yellow building for side down. Una remember, una no place where they go visit Mancho BBC, Senator Pente raise them. All them they know they have the same position. They know the same place where Patrice Wilfred and they Patrice Wilfred and they for side down. For down side. For down side. Kona group pep. Una know where wait I mean no. People the way they go Konange, where they know Konange building, they feel understand for you it's what to talk about. So that is the truth Amazonia police has spoken today before you people concerning our leaders. You must stay focused in this revolution. And based on the fact our brothers and sisters are in Konange and Patrice Wilfred now is officially in Konange, we now know where they are. Do not listen any Jaduba talk from Milan Atem. Dr. Sok says, no, those are false information, lies. Lies. If you know congressman, if you have the contact number of congressman family, contact the family of congressman in a sensitive manner. They will testify to you. Say they need to be allowed them to visit congressman. They can't see congressman. Now through corridor, far away, very, very far away. Send food for them, like dog them, for them. That's the way they treat Patrice Wilfred them. We need to reactivate actions for the revolution. Reactivate actions. All French dogs out of our lands. Out of our land. There's nothing like matter of confusion in this matter. The thing is that those that are suspects, they are trying to play double games. They are trying to play double games so that you people should divert your attention in chat, divert your attention in Nigeria. That is what you people lack to understand. You lack that understanding. They're the blind for una head. For una confused begin the things of leaders then they in Nigeria. Some of them they me una confused the things say they chat. That is a game. I also Pauline the confused and because she they been a suspect. Now why that also Pauline run say you know where they are? I also Pauline tell me only one commander for Konange. In name. Only one. For those talk say you know you talk true. So stay focused. As days goes on, Colonel Atajon will keep on pushing to make sure he can get a picture of our leaders inside Konange. We'll try all way. There are many cameras all over that yellow building. For that yellow building here, more than 20 cameras than they round. More than 20 cameras than they round that yellow building for Konange. But we could keep putting effort. We could keep putting effort to get extract anyway, even have a bribe to make pictures there for leaders there for Konange. For that yellow building for Konange. Challenge Milan Atemutab. I will put the effort. I will keep putting the effort. And stay focused. Is a word to a while is sufficient. You believe Milan, your own cup of tea. You feel believe all the way to a Dr. Success talk up for a last live video. But no believe way to hear Dr. Success talks to leaders and they chat. That one a lie. That one a lie. Dr. Success now my friend. But that one he lie in a lie. He lie in a lie. And I know support lies. I know support lies. I know support lies. The revolution continues. Stay blessed. May the Lord bless you all. Stay focused. Put your eyes open. Shine your eyes. No fall for Chuki for any in Butiku. Any Butiku man could try to put you from Butiku. Oh, you fall for Chuki. No from fool. Ere from Butiku. Nandabe from those. Una no am no. Una know that song no. Ere from Butiku. Nandabe from those. Stay focused. If you want no more brief about where it all pass about our leaders them, text Colonel Atajon inbox. Ask me, but no ask me screenshot or phone number of the commandant. Because I no go give you. Only Amazonia police then they get the number of the commandant. No ask me anything what I have to show you. I have to show you the chat me and the commandant. But I no go ever expose his name to you. Because trust none in this revolution. Because black legs then they too much. Black legs then they too much. Somebody they talk say Dr. Success pass me. Dr. Success now my friend. If you do wrong, I tell you. Any man way they the revolution, he must know Colonel Atajon. When you do wrong, we tell you we know the look somebody face. We know the look any person he face. Any person. We know the look no person he face. Dr. Success must stop making the Amazonians to divert their attention in chat. And Milan will stop making Amazonians to divert their attention in Nigeria. Milan Atem, you must bring Patasen Wilfred, President Ayub, Pa Fongala, Barrister Ayembe, and others. You must bring them. If Milan Atem no bring up, we get a lead an operation for make sure so we put Milan Atem for 6 feet. We get to put Milan Atem for 6 feet. May the Lord bless you all. Now stay focused.